Hi Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate or hindi po to 100% accurate sa'yo. Maraming salamat sa inyo Libra. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga paparating na energies and messages for you. Ano yung mga blessings na darating at mga gabay from the universe. For Libra, please. Libra. Paparating na energies and messages for you, Libra. Okay. You are being strong or patient sa isang sitwasyon. Okay? Maybe merong some truth na lumabas or merong clarity sa isang situation. Okay? And you are moving away from conflict, no? Or trouble for some of you. Okay? You are gaining power, no? You are being competitive, strong, and patient at the same time sa inyong sitwasyon. Most especially na may kinalaman sa work. Okay? For some of you, you are getting information about someone. Merong spying and stalking. Okay? About you. No? Yeah, merong pag-uusap, planning. Maybe this is about work. No? Maybe these three persons are talking about you. Okay? Kumukuha ng information, ng wisdom, kung anong nangyayari sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba naman, merong assessment, no? When it comes sa work, sa inyong mga performance. Alright. Okay. For some, merong negotiation na nangyayari. Okay. Yes, kung meron kayong business online, or creative venture, no? Yeah. So, people are talking about your product, no? Kung ano man yung mga, kung meron kayong mga services na ino-offer, so people are talking about it, no? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are receiving increase. Okay? When it comes sa work, no? Or business man to, sa career mo or trabaho mo, parang merong conflict, gulo. Merong changes at the same time sa situation. Yung mga tao sa paligid mo parang nahihirapan ka na kasi you feel na parang merong hindi fair na nangyayari. So you have to review or check yung motives ng mga tao na nasa paligid mo. Okay? So, yeah, be careful or ingat lang din sa competition, no? Mga arguments and fighting. Sometimes you have to choose your own, choose your battles, kumbaga. Huwag pag-aksiyahan ng oras or ng panahon or ng energy yung mga nonsense, no? Na situation or conflict. Okay? Yeah. You are stressed already pagdating sa work, no? Yeah, you are on defense mode for some of you. Okay? Yeah. When it comes to partnership or with your relationship with another person, merong stability and security. Okay? You are confident with your partnership. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you are defending, no? You are defending your peace. You are defending your situation. Okay? Kung ano man yung success na meron ka ngayon or accomplishment, okay, you are defending it. Okay? And then at the same time, you are confident and on defense mode, no? Yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Yeah, for some, before you make an action or before you make a decision, pag-isipan mo ng mabuti, wag padalos-dalos. Okay? So, remember, may mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi maganda yung motibo or yung intention, no? Sa isang sitwasyon. And maybe, for some of you, nasistress na kayo or nahihirapan na kayo sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Again, merong ending. 10-10. Okay? An ending of a difficult situation. An ending of a stressful time, no? Trabaho man to at yung sa inyong, mentally. Okay? Yeah, merong deception, dishonesty and lies dito na nangyayari. For some of you, you are aware of it. Okay? May mga issues about legal matters, no? You are being analytical, no? In the situation. For some of you, you need a vacation. Parang feeling mo parang wala kang time para sa sarili mo. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you're waiting for a break. Okay? Merong abundance din pagdating sa trabaho, you are doing well. Okay? Merong security or maybe meron kayong inaantay na good news or resulta, no, na makapagbigay sa inyo ng security or stability sa trabaho. For some of you, you're thinking about some options, no, and choices. You are making a decision, a complicated decision. Okay, Libra? Okay. Okay. Someone in a partnership or maybe your partner or your person is feeling left out in the cold because parang wala ka ng oras sa kanya. You are doing a lot of things. Madami kang responsibilities sa work or obligations, no? For some of you. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you are tired already. You want change in your lifestyle or inyong sitwasyon or inyong pamumuhay. Okay? Yeah. Merong collaboration also or partnership, no? Na nangyayari dito when it comes to work or when it comes to finances. Okay? Pero medyo nahihirapan ka. Okay? But you need to make a smart and a choice, a smart or a wiser choice or decision para sa sarili mo. Okay? Nahirapan ka na. Yung iba sa inyo, nahirapan kayo, no? I mean, maybe because of expenses. Okay. But again, you are not giving up. You are not quitting. Merong magandang pag-uusap na mangyayari. Maybe there is negotiation also, no? If you have a business or, merong negotiation, merong pag-uusap. Okay? Okay. Yeah, for some of you, may mga issues, no? May mga issues or changes in a situation. Maybe this is in a workplace. And this is about maybe someone who is a King of Cups or a Scorpio in particular. Okay? Merong problema in the company for some of you. Parang merong kailangan i-close na issue, or may kailangang tapusin, no? Yeah. Okay? This is about, yung issue na to is about dishonesty and lies. Okay? Yeah. Maybe in your company or sa pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo, no? May mga unexpected na changes, no, in the situation or sa company ninyo or sa sistema, no, ng inyong company or trabaho. Okay? Yeah. And for you, parang may kailangan kang i-prove, no? Sa sarili mo at sa mga may kailangan kang i-prove sa company. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, mayroong mga concerns o issues na kailangan i-address, no? Yeah. I think kailangan mo maging confident, no? To express this or to communicate this, no? So, yeah. Also, again, this is a water sign. Maybe there is a conflict or issues, no? About a water sign. Okay? Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Yeah. Okay. So, I think may kailangan balansehin, no? In the relationship, no? Maybe this is a colleague of yours, no? May kailangan balansehin sa sitwasyon because someone here is sad or disappointed, no? Yes, it might be disappointed of you, okay? Yeah. Okay, just take what resonates for you and leave kung yung mga hindi para sa'yo. Okay, but again, you need to take care of yourself, no? Nurture yourself, or also makinig ka sa sinasabi ng inyong intuition, no? About this person, a water sign. Okay? So, I think, siguro may maganda kayong pagsasama or magandang connection with this person, but then merong problema, this is unexpected, no? Or chaos, no? Merong pagbuwag or separation. Okay? Maybe this is in a work area or sa inyong personal life, and parang nagkaroon ng problema dito in the situation. Okay? Okay? Someone is sad and disappointed. Okay? Kailangan ng balance and harmony in the relationship, no? As colleagues or as partners, something like that in a company or in an institution. Okay? So, parang merong question dito or concern about commitment or faithfulness for some of you dahil merong dishonesty, okay? Lies, deception, no? Yeah. Ace of Pentacles, new contract, no? Yung iba sa inyo may ma-close kayo na deal. This is a new career, no? A business venture na parating sa inyo. Okay, yeah, communication, good news about this. So, merong, it's going to be a busy time for you. Delays are over. Siguro matagal mo na tong inaantay. Yes, merong improvement in the situation. Yes, and success, victory. Okay, now you're going to have confidence in yourself. Alright? Yeah. Tingnan natin. Libra. Money path. A path with money is waiting for you to find it. Okay, merong opportunity na pagkakaperahan for some of you. You just need to work for it, no? To work on it, I mean. Ground. Honor and respect will come to you. Okay. Unicorn. Use your intuition to make beneficial change. Yes, again, so listen to your intuition. Follow mo kung ano yung sinasabi ng puso mo. Okay, Libra, you know what you, you know what you want, no? So, communicate. Kung yung iba sa inyo, you want to restore itong balance and harmony with this person, no? A water sign, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you are regretful of what happened. Okay? Bird flying, news is on the way. Okay? Oh, maybe a good news, no? Merong balita na paparating sa inyo. Okay? Feather, someone you know is undependable and insincere. Okay, so be careful. Merong talagang deception, no, in the situation for some of you, maybe in a workplace. No, merong someone dito na hindi mapagkakatiwalaan, okay? At hindi sincere sa inyo. So, maybe for some of you, they are playing with you, something like that, no? A deception is at play. Okay? Libra. Sun. Your son is watched over and protected as he explores his world. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong anak, no? Yeah, a son. Okay? Merong someone, siguro a guardian angel na pinoprotektahan siya. Okay? He is protected, no? Yeah. Emotional healing. As your heart heals of old emotional pain, you receive new blessings and love. Okay? So, you need to heal, no? Kung meron mang conflict, no, na nangyari sa inyong sitwasyon, maybe sa work mo to or in your relationship, okay, you need to heal. Okay? So that new blessings will come in and new love, no, for you. One more. Walk away. Leave the unhealthy situation and enjoy the new doors that open as a result. Yeah, for some of you, you are in an unhealthy situation or toxic. Okay? So, I think you need to walk away. Move away. Walk away. Kailangan mong, siguro you need to put an end, no, in that situation. Okay? And i-enjoy mo yung mga bagong opportunity na darating sa inyo. Okay? So, Libra, maraming salamat. Ito yung mga energies and messages para sa inyo. All the best and see you on the next video. Bye!